Many educational programs in the cybersecurity sector make exaggerated claims about swift job placements and high salaries. It's crucial to recognize these misleading assertions within the training landscape. Real-world experience is fundamental to achieving success in cybersecurity. Established professionals consistently underscore the value of practical knowledge over superficial certifications. A solid understanding of technology fundamentals is essential for a successful career in cybersecurity. Without familiarity with devices like routers and switches, securing network infrastructure becomes almost insurmountable. Unfortunately, many training providers prioritize profit over imparting vital cybersecurity principles. This profit-driven approach often leaves students ill-equipped to effectively safeguard their networks. Grasping networking concepts, including routers and protocols, is vital in cybersecurity. Without a comprehensive understanding of network operations, effective security measures become nearly unachievable. It's advisable to begin with foundational courses, such as IT fundamentals, before tackling more advanced subjects like Security Plus. A robust understanding of IT concepts is crucial for long-term success. Moreover, learning how hardware components interact, including the CPU, hard drive, and video card, is critical for mastering IT fundamentals. This knowledge enhances overall system comprehension. Additionally, familiarity with networking essentials, such as IP addresses and routing, is indispensable for cybersecurity practitioners. Mastery of these basics equips individuals for more complex security challenges. It's important to steer clear of quick-fix certification programs that guarantee rapid success. Genuine learning in cybersecurity demands time and a firm grasp of foundational concepts. Understanding network security necessitates prior knowledge of networking basics, such as IP addressing and router functionality. This foundational knowledge is pivotal for effective cybersecurity training. Aspiring cybersecurity professionals should critically evaluate their qualifications and experience before aiming for high-paying positions. This self-assessment is essential for setting realistic salary expectations. Newcomers to the field are encouraged to start with basic IT courses to establish a strong knowledge base. This foundational approach prepares them for advanced security concepts and practices. Beginning the journey with foundational certifications like A+, Network Plus, and Security Plus is crucial for career development in cybersecurity. These credentials lay the groundwork for further expertise. Progressing to advanced certifications like CASP and CH becomes essential for career advancement. These qualifications enhance skill sets and unlock higher-paying job opportunities. Ultimately, the path to achieving a six-figure income in cybersecurity is a lengthy one that demands perseverance. Individuals should be prepared to dedicate months, even years, to realize this financial aspiration.